how about a really quick sneak peek before I put everything together for the master reveal on the laundry room. This color is called Morning Fog. It is actually a Sherwin-Williams brand Conoco paint. Conoco paints are sold at Menards, but you can get this color anywhere, everywhere that can color match. And you can take the color off online, take it to a place that does any type of color and give them the name. I actually took the recipe from online, but I didn't need it because they found it in their system. I bought the paint at Gilman's. I'll show you guys the master reveal here in a few. When Ed gets home, I bought a new shelving unit for here so I can utilize this space for all my craft supplies. It's a big area. It's about 36 inches wide, more than 72 high because I've got the big ceiling. But I wanted to show you guys the big reveal before I put everything back. So I'm going to end this video. The next one will be everything on the walls. Hope you like the color. It's not something I would have chose, but with the thing that I had chosen for the wall, it's going to be really pretty. And this was the item that started it all. I found this at Cracker Barrel. And this is how the color was chosen. So I'll show you when everything's put back.